Small and medium businesses need the benefits of remote management that larger enterprises enjoy, but they often lack the budget and resources for enterprise-level KVM solutions and end up settling for lower-quality KVM switches that require Java. Raritan has responded with the Dominion LX2, our new line of Java-free KVM-Over-IP switches. Designed for small to medium businesses, the LX2 provides economical, secure, and productive IP-based KVM and serial remote management. LX2 is designed for IT and network administrators, data center, and lab managers. For remote management of computer and networking equipment in labs, small racks and server rooms, and in remote offices and facilities. LX2 provides Java-free BIOS-level IP access and control of 8 or 16 servers and up to 8 serial devices. Laptop, PC, and smartphone access for 1 or 2 remote users and 1 local user. Virtual media to install software, transfer files, and even boot an OS. Support for equipment with VGA, DVI, HDMI, USB-C, and DisplayPort video. Standard security features including AES encryption and TLS authentication, and optional serial management of 2 to 8 serial devices via DSAM. The LX2 is the perfect remote access solution for SMBs, secure, productive, and economical. And you get 24/7 web-based access to maximize uptime, eliminate travel, and increase your productivity. Raritan's history of KVM innovation spans over 3 decades. We're trusted in over 60,000 locations worldwide. With LX2, you can get the remote management you've always wanted. Switch to IP-based management, upgrade from old analog KVM switches, or replace IP switches requiring Java. To see what the LX2 can do for you, contact us today.